So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to use AI to prospect, how to generate leads for your services that you are running, and also how to organize those leads and how to prepare for outreach, all from your phone or even whether you want to use your mobile phone. And the funniest thing is, you don't need to be a programmer to actually do this. And the first thing you need to do is go to cloud, right? If you have an account already, better for you. But if you don't have an account, you can just go through the sign up process and create an account if you don't already have one. Right now, a lot of people only use Cloud or ChatGPT for basic chatting. But what most people don't realize is that these AI tools are becoming operational assistants, meaning they can help you research, organize, analyze, and even prospect for leads. That's where it actually gets interesting, right? So once you sign up on Cloud, actually, so now inside cloud, there's what we call connectors. So basically what this connector does is it allows cloud to work with external tools and data sources. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to click on add a connector, and in this video we are going to be using a connector called the Vibe Prospecting connector. So once you are in add connector, just click on the search button, right? So just search for vibe prospecting connector. So there are two vibe prospecting connector right here. I'll be using this particular one, which is the find company and contact data. So I'll click on the plus sign. So once I click on the plus sign, it will actually tell me to log in with my account, right? So I'll complete the sign in process. I agree, then I'll allow access, right? So let me just continue with Google. I'll log in with my inbox, right? So still the same process. So I'm going through the sign up process right now on Vibe Prospecting Cloud. So now we are successfully connected to Vibe Prospecting. It's now time for us to actually generate our lead. Now, before generating your lead, before prompting your AI or doing anything, you need clarity first. What exactly are you helping businesses with? Because this part matters a lot. Are you doing social media management, AI automation, lead generation, appointment setting, email marketing, web design, customer support system, right? Now, for this tutorial, let's say I am an AI automation specialist and I want to target plumbing companies in California, right? Why plumbers? Because many of them are busy running their operations offline, and most times they don't have the time to what's called to respond to questions, replies to messages. So I'm helping them build a chatbot that can help them um, get replies to more messages and generate more leads for their business. So how do we generate a prompt that we're going to use in cloud to generate this lead? So here's what I do basically ChatGPT, right? I go to ChatGPT. I believe most of you have a ChatGPT account. I go to ChatGPT, and once I'm inside ChatGPT, I'll tell ChatGPT that Vibe I want to use Vibe prospecting on cloud to generate leads, right? And generate leads, right? Targeting plumbers. Okay, let's use a country. Let's use Los Angeles in USA to offer my service as an AI automation specialist, right? Building chatbots for them to help them convert more sales and never miss any leads that comes in. So I want to act as a professional prompt engineering with over 10 years of experience writing a well good converting prompts that I will use to generate these leads on cloud. So I've basically given it the context of everything that Charlie requires, and I'm going to hit on send and let's see what we have. So ChatGPT is currently generating our prompt for us. So I've given it everything it needs to look out for, the context, everything about what I do. So when you are prompting your own, right, you need to also give it every details, every necessary details you think it should need. So here's the prompt I to give. I said you're an AI with lead generation. So I'm not going to read through. I'll just copy this prompt, come back to cloud. I'll tell it cloud using, right, use the vibe prospecting connector and run this task. So I'll literally copy the prompt that I generated from ChatGPT and paste it here, right? So allow it to run. We didn't copy our prompt completely. I think we copy up what we did. Let me see. I think we missed out some stuff actually. So let's see. So Cloud has seen the available tools and it's currently running the tools. So I'll always allow. So right now the AI starts running, looking out for the business name, the website, the location, and if there's a social link, it's definitely going to generate it for us. One thing is this part honestly feel crazy the first time you see it, right? Because what used to take hours manually, AI can now do it in minutes. So I'll also allow. So it's currently enriching us and doing a deeper intelligence on their tech stack, which help us identify which of these business has no chatbot or CRM, right? So it is done actually. Can you see we have Orange Coast Plumbing? Okay, they don't have a chatbot, no chatbot. It has even analyzed what's called their account for us, right? This is where smart people separate themselves from lazy outreach. Don't just collect these leads before sending them a message. Study them very well. Why is this business weak online? Why don't they have chatbots? Are they replying slowly? Because outreach becomes powerful when it feels specific, right? Outreach becomes powerful when it seems specific. Now, after generating the leads, we already have our leads. So it has given us the top 10 hottest lead right now. Orange Coast Plumbing, the revenue, they have done $5 to $10 million so far, and I think they are one some of our best fits in the market at the moment, right? Then we also have so it's actually generated the top 10 for us, generated the top 10 for us now, and also give us the code emailing, right? So this one code email template. Hi, I was looking at your website and noticed you are running paid ads and tracking calls with Mars mom. Hi, it even generated a cold email template for us. Man, this is massive. Hi, I was looking at your website and noticed you are running paid ad and tracking calls with call tracking matrix smart setup. But I noticed something missing. When someone visits orangecoastplumbing.net at 10 p.m. with a plumbing emergency and you don't answer, where do they go? Usually to the next Google results. So I help Los Angeles area plumbing companies to set up AI system that replies to those visitors via chat and SMS, qualify them and book them into your calendar, even while your team sleep. Wow, this is so massive. This is massive. This is massive, man. This is massive. So once they are done generating the leads, once the AI is done generating this lead, we need to export everything into a CSV or Excel format because this is going to be very useful for us to organize this outreach, track businesses, and follow up properly. And we can also use that to build up lead list, even if we want to use it for what's called client work. So I'm going to tell it export it in CSV for me to download. So it's currently working on exporting it for us, right? So let's allow. So our CSV is ready. I'll just click on this download link, right? I'll click on the download link, the open link, and let's see. So it's going to bring us to the live prospecting dashboard, right? So I'll still have to log in again. I think it's currently doing the connection. So let's hold on. Right. So I'm going to come to download it here. I'm going to come to download it here and I'll download as CSV. So our data has successfully be downloaded. Now, if I were you and I was starting from scratch today, this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'll pick one niche, maybe dentists, gyms, coaches, roofing companies, e-commerce brand. Then I'll build a simple one offer, one lead system, and one outreach process. And I'll consistently post content around solving problems in that niche. And over time, people begin to notice you, and that's how opportunities compound online. The truth is, a lot of talented people are still underpaid because they are only visible locally. Meanwhile, the internet gives you access to global markets. That is the opportunity AI is currently bringing on table, right? So, if you want to learn how to combine AI positioning, research, outreach, and communication, then you need to follow my account and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And trust me, in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually generate their phone numbers and their emails to send an outreach to. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.